Hi everyone, welcome to Julie's Kitchen. Today we're making Aligot, which are cheesy potatoes. Today helping me is Erina.
Hi.
Here's what you do.
Look at my friend.
Look what I got her for Christmas.
From Breaking Bad.
Hey,
Yay.
now we're professional.
Yes.
We're gonna put our potatoes in the pot.
Ooh.
Then we're gonna put what looks like a lot of butter.
Oh yeah.
Until that's all melted together, and then you mix it in with the potatoes until it's smooth.
It's very smooth.
We're gonna add our heavy cream.
Ooh.
Jeez. Mix that until it's smooth.
Oh my gosh. You have it on like medium heat or what?
Yeah, medium heat. I don't want it to burn.
Yeah. It sounds like a monster.
Alright, so that's pretty much mixed in. We're gonna add the garlic. Oh yes. Cook that for a few minutes. Now we're gonna add our cheese.
Oh my goodness.
Mix it all in till it's nice and smooth.
Cheesy.
Cheesy potatoes. You're supposed to use Cantal cheese, but we did this kind of last minute, so I used Monterey Jack because that's what we had, which is not what you're supposed to use, but
It might not be as stretchy, but
yeah,
it's okay.
but it's good to just try it. The aligot is finished, and now we're gonna try it.
So excited.
And I made some grilled onions and kielbasa so we can eat it together. We're gonna try it plain. Holy crap.
It like coated my whole mouth.
It's so good. Oh
Wow.
no. It's so good, you guys.
It's like super garlicky, super buttery, super creamy.
It's so dangerous. This
It's
is a
very dangerous.
once in your lifetime thing.
Eat small portions at
Yes.
a time, or else you'll
We
have
don't
a heart
want you to
attack.
die. Thank you for watching Julie's Kitchen. Tune in next week for another video. Bye! Cheesy potatoes.
Cheesy potatoes.
Potatoes, a potato flew around. The chickens and the cow. Au revoir.
Au revoir.
Au revoir.